Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the Plenty of Fish app on your mobile device. So if you are on an iOS device, you'll have to go to your app store. After that, in the search bar, type PoF and hit enter. After that, the app will look somewhat like this. The name is Plenty of Fish Dating. As you can see the logo and the name, so you'll have to download this app. And in case you are on an Android device, the process is similar. The only difference is that you need to go to your Play Store, type in PoF, and you'll have to download the same app. So in this way, you can download the PoF app on both your iOS device as well as your Android device. And when you open the app, it'll look somewhat like this. Now you can sign up, or if you're already a member, you can log in. So that's basically it. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.